Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you, Chaitanya?
I am good, sir. I am good. Sir, telling about the gift of hope first. So it's like I started with a novel concept. So I am into a corporate gifting industry, right? So due to COVID, there were many people telling me कि अभी किसको gift करेगा तू मेरे को बता कि there is a downfall. So whom you will gift, right? So I told them now what I will do is I will gift a hope, and that's how the organization is made, the gift of hope. It's like we have touched millions of people and getting so huge responses and so crazy responses because of you guys, you sharing your journey, you sharing your insights. Even I am learning, I am learning so much. It's like, whenever I finish this session after 8 p.m., I write on my whiteboard saying that what are the learnings which I got today.
Wow, very nice.
Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you so much for,
It's an honor.
sir. Starting. So I have a story. So I have a story which is connected with you. So I
Oh,
was never reading books. So from till first year, second year, I was never reading books. So मेरे लिए था कि why should I read books? I can see a movie or something. But due to which there was a very good communication problem जो मेरे को बहुत आगे जाके पता चला, because I was started representing nationally and internationally as well.
wow.
So then my professor told me, okay, you should start reading books now, and if you are not reading books, I will not talk to you. And that moment I asked him, what is the best book? Tell me, I will read that. And I promise it's because of you I am reading, and I will not read that. So professor handed me a corporate Chanakya book.
Wow.
Sir, believe me, I'm and believe me, sir, I'm reading one book a week now. And
Wow.
thank you so much for your and thank you so much for that inspiration. That was my start. That's what my start for a book reading journey which I had.
You should thank your professor for that.
But sir, you wrote, sir. Sir, it's your insights. So
Thank you. Thank
starting, you are known as the India's smartest man, and you are told as the Chanakya reborn. Sir, for me, it's an inspiration to talk to you. Sir, for the first time, I want to ask, you are doing a PhD in Sanskrit. Sir, is this something you always wanted to do, or is this something you want to bring the old Indian culture back?
you. So, two questions here. Number one, I'm not Chanakya reborn, and I'm not the smartest man in India, as people call it. There are many, many smarter people also. But thanks to Ranveer, he keeps promoting me and, talking very big about me. Chanakya was Chanakya, yes. And of course, the reality is that, Chanakya's knowledge is still relevant for all of us, no doubt about it. So I've tried to study and now teach it to some extent. Now, coming back to this wonderful question of yours, that when I did my PhD, I have already completed my PhD in
Okay.
philosophy, and I did my MA in Sanskrit. Okay, and now I'm guiding PhD
Wow.
students. So a lot of people are doing PhD. So it was a very unknown journey, and I never thought in my life that I'll be ever doing this on Chanakya. It never happened. It happens by God's grace. A lot of things you don't plan. For example, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi went to South Africa not to get freedom for India. He went to
Yeah.
become a barrister and a lawyer. And one day he was pushed out of the train, and then
It's 6 o'clock.
he actually had a different life. So I also got pushed into Chanakya. I don't know how. Maybe thanks to friends like you. So you have supported me a lot, and today the only thing I know is Chanakya, Chanakya, Chanakya. So that's my journey.
Sir, you are so humble, sir. Uh, you are so humble, sir. Sir, starting with the direct question. So this is the question which I asked at the end, but I know for these questions you can add lots and lots of value and advice to an 21-year entrepreneur.
Enjoy life. 21 is the time to enjoy. I don't know why people get so complicated. And, I get a lot of messages every day and saying that, I want to find the purpose of my life. I don't know what to do, what not to do. Let me tell you, no 21-year-old boy or a girl will be able to find out what they want to do in life. So I would say that, of course, you can't be, just wasting your life, no doubt about it. But I say, before you start getting serious about life, Okay, be sincere about life. Okay, मुझे
Wow.
जिंदगी में कुछ करना है, लेकिन कौन से क्षेत्र में करना है, which field, maybe you're not aware of it. Even I discovered all my, goals in life, purposes in life and all later. So what is important is like, this is the most beautiful period because your family responsibilities has not come on you yet. Your parents are still around, your elders are still around. So I say, this is the phase of life when you're going to an ice cream parlor and tasting different flavors. Okay.
Wow.
So if you're going to ice cream parlor first time here, so you don't know there are so many flavors. So all 21-year-old boys and girls in this generation have an opportunity to taste a lot of things. Somebody wants to become an entrepreneur, somebody wants to become something else, somebody wants to become a poet, somebody wants to be a YouTuber, you are doing gift of hope. So I think it's trial and error, right? So how do I know what I'm good at till I don't taste everything? So I think it's very important. Like you think you're an ice cream parlor and everything is free for you. Okay. So you're tasting this, you're tasting that, but you can't do it every time because the ice cream parlor will say, okay, kharidna hai kya? Okay. Then you say, okay, I try 10 flavors and I like this one. Now give me a double scoop. So at 21 years, you are actually experimenting with a lot of ideas and which is good. Okay. Because in our generation, we never had this opportunity. I started working when I was 18 years old. And it
Wow.
was like, and of course I had this zeal, but nobody was clear. So I think enjoy life, but remember one thing: you're no more a child. Okay, don't be childish. That's very very important because you are already officially an adult. Okay, and you are a young adult, as they say. But what is also important to understand that you still have life experience to go. So at this particular point of life, there's a lot of energy in you, but that requires direction. Okay, so at 21 years, do one thing. Keep asking God, मुझे एक mentor भेज दो, a guru,
क्या
a
बात है.
guide. And you have so many mentors today available, isn't it? So I think 21 years,
Yeah.
enjoy your life, be sincere about your life, but day will come and you'll get serious about your life. That time you'll become successful.
Wow. Wow. Sir, I have listened to lots and lots of your podcast by Ranveer, and where we have, you have mentioned the particular concept of meditation,
Yeah.
right? So it's like I have started meditating after Ranveer's show. I was doing before, but after I listened to your, but I am still not clear. I know about what is meditation now, but slowly and gradually now I don't know how to do a meditation because there are different schools of thoughts. There are 100 different schools of thoughts telling कि ऐसे meditation होता है, ऐसा meditation होता है. Now I am confused. So can I get a proper idea what is meditation and how to do it?
Absolutely. Again, the ice cream example, okay? So you're going to ice cream, this meditation, that meditation, this meditation. So every meditation is good. But what happens, somewhere from window shopping, you should get very serious about the shopping. Okay, so it happens that you need to settle down with one type of meditation. Okay, please understand the ultimate aim of meditation is Atma Sakshatkar, Moksha Nirvana. Okay, so
क्या
across
बात.
the world there are a lot of philosophies and methods. In India, there are too many methods, and every guru has got his own method, and it is good. Okay, so there are varieties. Yatra lokaha, the kind of people, tatra margaha. So if
क्या
there is
बात.
one guru, there are many gurus also. There are many paths also. So understand the ultimate aim of meditation, be it Indian meditation, Zen philosophy, Buddhist philosophy, whatever be, it's all to get nirvana moksha. But at this particular point, let us not talk about that meditation. Let's talk about the basic meditation of keeping your mind calm and quiet. Okay. So if you understand, there are two things about meditation. One is the theory of meditation, and one is the practical aspect of meditation. So, what you get confused is about the theories of meditation. There are many types. Raj Yoga hai. Our great spiritual guru, Sri Ravi Shankar ji has got Sudarshan Kriya. Then we have Jaggi Vasudev ji. He's got a type called inner engineering. So we should not get confused with the types of meditation. What you should get clear is that these are all theories and different formats. But finally, one very important practical tip is that if you can actually keep your mind cool and calm, okay, then you have achieved the very basic important aspect of meditation, that is called self-control. See, understand one thing, that today all of us are doing so much mental work. Okay, so if you look at physically,
Yeah.
there is no work happening outside, but inside there is so much work happening. But do you actually train your mind to be calm and quiet? So for example, if you have a car, okay, or any particular vehicle, if it is running, from time to time you need to take a break, give it some fuel, cool down the engine. Now think about it, your biggest engine, your biggest machine that you have is your mind, and it is actually overworking. It is multitasking. It's so dangerous. And that's why our generation has got so much mental health problems also now. So the
Yeah,
stress, the depression, even some people go to the extent of even committing suicide. I'm saying, okay,
yeah,
listen. So what is the best thing is, calm and quiet. So for meditation, there are theories, so you may get confused, but don't get confused. Choose your path. Even if you're not choosing the path, I will give you one practical tip. If you are able to sit down quietly for 20 minutes per day, very simple, practical, don't talk about which form, what, but if you can just close your eyes and sit down and watch your thoughts. Don't worry whether it's good thought, bad thought, ugly thought, nice thought. Thought is a thought. Don't give it a form. विचारों का रूप मत देखो, विचारों को देखो. Okay, so a lot
क्या
of
बात
people,
है.
so people say, whenever I sit for meditation, the worst thought comes. In fact, meditation is a cleaning process. Okay, not many people know that a lot of things which nobody knows, it is there deep within, it's coming out. It's good. So it's like, suppose you have indigestion. In fact, in indigestion, vomiting is good. So everything that is very, very bad in your system, something which is toxic is coming out. So when you vomit out of it, light. Isn't it? In the sense of meditation, thoughts are coming out. A lot of people resist, and then it becomes a volcano. It becomes like it will, explode. Don't wait. So if you can practice that for 20 days, believe me, you will see the benefit of it. So what I'm saying is that basic meditation is being calm and quiet. Instead of reactive, you become responsive. Okay,
Wow.
instead of reacting. So what happens if a person is not calm and quiet? He gets irritated with a lot of things happening around. You blame others for that, but a person who is calm and quiet becomes responsive. You know what is the meaning of responsive? Responsive means whenever a thought comes to it, you look at it calmly, quiet, and respond to it, not react to it. And once you know how to respond, you become responsible. The ability
Wow.
to respond is responsibility. Okay, and once
Wow.
you have that responsibility, you will become a great leader and successful in life. So meditation is very simple. अपने आप के साथ बैठो और अपने विचार देखो. Don't react, respond. That's basic meditation for me.
So that's so great. So now I am clear that what I have to do is sit in a room for 20 minutes, whatever the thoughts I have come, just see to it what's the thoughts all about.
Absolutely.
Sir, talking about the Chanakya Niti, any three Chanakya Niti which you want to give to the entrepreneurs? So now it is said that once there is large unemployment, there is new numbers of entrepreneurs coming in, right? So any three Chanakya Nitis you want to give to the entrepreneurs of the world right now?
Yeah. In fact, you put it a very nice thing. You said entrepreneurs of the world. Okay, now please understand
Yeah.
this. It is not just entrepreneurs in India. I'm so glad you asked this question. You'd be surprised. Of course, I work with a lot of entrepreneurs in India, but I've been also working with a lot of entrepreneurs abroad. Okay, now I'll tell you
Wow.
something. I was in New York once, and New York is the place for entrepreneurship. America encourages entrepreneurship. So you'd be surprised. I was taking a session on entrepreneurship in New York, in Manhattan, guiding the best minds in the world. Okay, so they
Wow.
were all young boys and girls working for some of the biggest companies in Manhattan and the stock markets and so many other places. But I realized one thing: entrepreneur is an entrepreneur, whichever part of the world he or she is. Okay, so a lot of people say India पीछे, America आगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We are all the same boat. Entrepreneurs are entrepreneur. So the first tip about entrepreneurship is it's a long journey. Like a lot of people want quick solutions. आज किया तो हो जाओगे नहीं. So there's a formula which was given by a very good financial expert, and you can apply that to an entrepreneurship also. We overestimate in the short term and we underestimate in the long term. Okay, so what happens? People say, I will do this and I'll become Oyo. I'll do this and I'll become Ola. Ola, Oyo is a long journey. Not many people know that Paytm is a 20-year-old company.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, so people thought, I never knew this. So what I'm saying is that if you're an entrepreneur, don't look at it as immediate thing. Minimum 3 years of commitment. And it becomes a 30-year-old journey. So if you think that you want to be trying this and all, okay, try. I'm not telling you no. Ice cream parlor, right? So try everything. Choose your flavor coming to your life to it. So the first Chanakya Niti, the principle is that it has to be long term. Second thing, don't fall in love with an idea. Refine the idea with an expert. Okay. So a lot
Wow.
of people have ideas, but they don't have mentors. Okay. And sometimes without experience, without guidance, you can be lost. That's why we see a lot of people failing in entrepreneurship. And some statistics say 96%, 95% of startup ventures fail. The idea was not bad, okay, but the idea was not guided. Dekho, you may be a born leader, but still Chanakya says you need to require training. Isn't it true? So it's very important.
Yeah.
Even Sachin Tendulkar, who is a born cricketer, he had it in his personality, also required a mentor. Okay, his own brother guided him, his teachers guided him,
Yeah.
Ramakant Athak, his coach guided him. So the next question that you should have in your mind, who is my business mentor? And people say, how do I find a mentor? Don't worry, India में बहुत सारे mentors हैं, अच्छे students नहीं मिलते. So remember, entrepreneurship is a mentor-menteeship journey. Okay. And the third formula, okay, very important, it is called as Mitra Sambandha. Okay. Many times we make it our journey. But if you look at all successful people, India or abroad, they always had a partner or group of partners. It was always teamwork. Okay. So if you look at Infosys, first generation story, the 7 people who came together and started Infosys are still there, part of Infosys. See, and it
Yeah.
is not starting a business and breaking the business and the relationship. We start and break partnership. ना business रहता है ना दोस्ती रहती है. तो संबंध बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. So again, ice cream parlor, sometimes you try, but finally, security says that your journey is long term with a group of friends. It's a teamwork. So you have to understand, choose your partners carefully, mitras carefully, but it's very important that you travel together. Even Bill Gates, if you study Steve Jobs in America, they're all people who started and had a common dream. Okay, so dream together, work together
Wow.
for long term, you'll definitely succeed. These are my Chanakya Nitis for you.
So talking about the business mentor, this is what I have faced. So I have got one business mentor with me, and as you said, there are millions and millions. So now people are converting into a profession that I am a business mentor and I can guide you well. Sir, being an entrepreneur, जो 18 years 19 years पे बिजनेस करता है, सो देर आर प्रॉब्लम्स कि वो बड़ी बड़ी बातें बहुत कर लेते हैं बिजनेस मेंटर्स. सो व्हाट एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर हैज टू सी इन अ बिजनेस मेंटर?
Okay, first things first, don't get a mentor. Okay, वो mentor के भी दो types होते हैं. So when I say don't get a mentor, I mean those people who speak about theories. Okay,
या
better be a intern, become an apprentice. Okay, so what is the difference? किसी ने आपको ज्ञान दे दिया, YouTube में देख लिया, motivational speaker, करेंगे करेंगे हम भी कर सकते हैं, कैसे? So what is very important that we get very impressed by people who talk about big ideas, but they themselves may not be successful businessmen. तो देखिए,
या
जो खुद सक्सेसफुल है वही तो सक्सेस फॉर्मूला सिखा सकता है ना. So it's very, very important that you work under somebody who is a businessman and a successful businessman. Very important. People talk theory, it is okay. I'm not against theories, but the thing is that, can you work under him as a project? So imagine Narayan Murthy gives you an opportunity to work under him as an intern. Will you be happy?
वाओ, या
No.
ऑब्वियसली सर.
So when I'm saying Narayan Murthy, that's a big goal. But what I'm trying to tell is that, work under somebody as an intern, learn from him practically. And, in that internship period, it could be 6 months, it could be 2 years, 3 years, you actually see the nuances of business. Business is not about, making a PowerPoint presentation, okay? We have PowerPoints, but no powerful points. So it's important that you actually work under somebody. Let me give you a very couple of examples, real examples. One of the very successful entrepreneur venture is Flipkart in India. You'd be surprised, those people who worked in Amazon, okay, they interned there, they studied and then came back and started. If you look at Infosys as a
वाओ.
story also, Infosys were actually a group of software engineers who worked somewhere else before they started their own. So if you know, Narayan
वाओ.
Murthy and all were working for Patni Computers. So it is not an original idea alone. Original idea, they got, they worked. So I think it's very important that, don't become an entrepreneur overnight. Become an intern. And Chanakya would say this, राजा बनना है तो राजगुरु भी होना चाहिए जिसको राज्य चलाना आता है. So
क्या
don't
बात.
just have theory mentors, motivational speakers, and YouTubers. I'm not against them, but the thing you have to check is that is he only speaking or has he already done it? So a lot of people say, कि कुछ नहीं कहो तो टीचर बन जाओ, कुछ नहीं करो. अरे, it is not a time pass. It's a very serious job. It's a job to create a business. It's a very, very committed thing. So what I'm saying, you have to be careful to choose and work under somebody. And once you work, you'll get the practical experience, and that's how your success starts.
Wow. Sir, so every time, so any person come, they give a gift of hope, a suggestion, or a hope. So do you have something about Chanakya which fascinates you and you want to share with the audience?
So I think the most important thing about Chanakya is faith in God. A lot
Wow.
of people say, he was a political strategist. Hey, of course, that is true. But I'll tell you, hope. You know what is hope? Hope is something that you don't know, but you still believe in it. Okay, like for example, and in when you get into an aircraft, okay, or a train or a bus, okay, we trust that driver or that pilot, isn't it true? Okay, and there is a hope that we will reach the place properly. We don't know. Have you ever gone into a plane and asked that pilot, "Pehla tumhara certificate batao." Then only I will sit in this particular plane. Otherwise, refund money. They said you go. But remember one thing:
Hmm.
somewhere unconsciously, we trust people and we have hope that we will reach our destination. Isn't it true? So I think one of the
Yes.
very important things is that have trust in God, okay, and hope in yourself. That's very, very important. So a
Wow.
lot of people, hope that somebody else will solve the problem. Now that is putting you the right
Mhm.
thing on somebody else's pocket. Okay, so what is not? I think if you want to have hope, it all starts with you. अंदर से बाहर आना है, बाहर से अंदर नहीं. There is nobody outside who will inspire you. It is inside person who gets
Wow.
inspired by somebody outside. So please understand the first thing, gift of hope जो आप बोल रहे थे ना, you have to have faith in yourself. I like to quote Swami Vivekananda. He said, and he's a youth leader. 12th of January, his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day by the government of India. Not many people know this. He
Hmm.
said, he was in college during those days, doing something very different. He said, the idea of being an atheist, initially, atheist meant somebody who doesn't believe in God. But Swami Vivekananda said, in today's generation, atheist means the one who doesn't believe in himself. So भगवान पे विश्वास रखो लेकिन खुद पे भी तो विश्वास रखो. So what I'm saying is that this is where you have to have Atma Bala and Atma Vishwas. Remember, hope is also
Wow.
Vishwas. Okay, it is a
Hmm.
kind of a gift that you give to yourself. And the thing is that only when you can give gift to yourself can you gift hope to others. खुद पे
Yes.
विश्वास नहीं है तो दूसरों को क्या विश्वास दोगे? So I think that is very important. Have faith in God and have faith in yourself, and believe me, you will be successful.
Wow, sir. Wow. Uh, Sir, telling about the book Corporate Chanakya, right? So I have read that. Sir, seeing to you, talking to you, I have heard the quote by Boman Irani saying that कि जब लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं ना तो तब ग्राउंड भूल जाते हैं कि वो कहाँ से आए थे.
जी.
How to stay humble, sir? I seriously want to learn from you. you know एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हैं लोग, so they forget to how to be humble and how to stay grounded, how to be humble, sir.
It's very easy. Remember one thing, the moment success goes into your head, your fall starts. Okay, so man. So the way to look humble is to always look upon people who are bigger and better than you. Okay, like for
Hmm.
example, let's say I'm at zero, okay, and I reach at number 10. So what I generally do is that I compare with people who are at number 2, 3, 4. Okay, तो हम लोग शायद
Hmm.
कॉलेज में एक साथ निकले थे. We are all at the same college. We came out together, and suddenly, I'm at number 10. I look around. I said, "Hey, you are only at 2. You are only at 3. I'm successful." And many people misthink. I mean, have this thought that popularity is equal to success. मेरे इतने followers है, मेरे इतने likes है. So what I'm saying is that you somewhere get that ego. I'm better than the others. There's a formula. Suppose you're from 0 to 10 and your friends at 3, 4, 5. You know what you should do? Look at people who are at 100 and say, अच्छा मैं 0 to 10 तो आ गया, ये तो पीछे रह गया, लेकिन मेरे से आगे भी बहुत लोग हैं. And then don't just look at them, be humble, and you'll be surprised. The more you go higher, you start realizing all people at the top are actually humble. And therefore, one of the very important attitude is to keep learning. And I'll tell you a formula. Should I tell you? जो मैं practice
Yeah,
करता
yeah,
हूँ.
please, please,
हाँ,
please.
I'm telling you very seriously. I never spoke this till now. That's the secret. When
Wow.
people appreciate me, I'm mentally cut off. मैं सुनता नहीं हूँ ज्यादा. Because when people start appreciating you a lot, अंदर से say, okay, Radha Krishna Gale, smartest man, good, I like it. आगे बढ़ो, next point. See, what happens is that people who keep thinking about their success and appreciation too much actually develop the ego. So consciously cut it. Okay? तो कोई भी आपको चढ़ाता है ना, चाबी भरता है ना, तो danger. No, 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 no. And so what I do consciously, I change the topic only. So if people tell me you're very humble, that's when the ego starts. Remember one thing, when you say you're such a humble person, Arey, I'm humble. वो भी एक ego है. So what I do is that very consciously, this comes through meditation also, because every thought is taken very seriously. So watch yourself कि आपको जब success आती है, तो do you celebrate or you become normal? है ठीक है, पार्टी दे देंगे, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. Know yourself and say नहीं बाबा, मैं 0 से 10 आ गया, वो जो मेरे friends हैं वो पार्टी करते हैं. I'll teach you the formula, okay? But at the same time, you should be conscious that there are people at 100. The moment you reach 100, understand there are people at 1,000. So what is happening is that you're always on the learning curve. And I'll tell you one more thing. In fact, I've always believed that the younger somebody is than me, he's better than me. So yes, in fact, I have a lot of people who are my mentors. I don't have one mentor. I have many mentors. Mentors में कंजूसी क्या करना? सबसे I have a lot of mentors who are younger than me by 10, 10, 15, 15 years. I have no problem. For example, Ranveer. You must have seen some of my shows with Ranveer. I consider him as a mentor, Manish. They're very much younger to me, but I call them mentor not by verbal, because they understand the YouTube generation, right? I don't know. I partner with them. They make me successful. So I think one very important thing that when success comes, you look around more successful people. And if somebody is not as successful like you, teach them. अपना फॉर्मूला लोगों को सिखाओ. Otherwise, you develop an ego. I'm better than my others. अरे वो पीछे रह गए, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आपको उनको पीछे छोड़ना है. A great leader is the one who takes everybody along and said, okay, we all started from 0. I'm at 10, you're at 5, no problem. I'll teach you the journey from 5 to 10. Come along with me. And as you take them, you will gain respect. But don't stop at 10. Look at 100. Look at 1,000. That's where the journey comes in and you are grounded.
Wow, sir. Sir, I have heard about this term called law of attraction. What are your thoughts about it?
It's a very a nice word with the Western world has given to us, law of attraction. But I'll tell you something very frankly, in India also we consciously, subconsciously do that. Okay, so if you want to do something, you should believe in it. Isn't it true? So what is the law of attraction? There are so many videos, books on that also. You can go. In India, it is called Sankalpa. Okay, Sankalpa. So when you sit for a puja also, you first take a Sankalpa. And our Prime Minister says, Sankalp se Siddhi. Okay. So whenever you do any activity, you should actually be very clear that I have achieved it. Remember one thing, huh? It is not that I will achieve it. I have achieved it. And then what happens? The whole universe comes to you and all those things, the formulas, So I'll tell you one simple story which will help you to understand what is the difference between achieving your goals and working as if you have achieved the goal. Okay. So there was a particular, marathoner. He was very physically fit and he was, running towards the top of a mountain, a hill. And he was just going, he saw one person trying to struggle and climb the mountain. He did not have hands and legs. He was a crippled person, okay? And this guy's a fit marathoner and he knows that it's a very steep hill, So he just looked at the other guy and said, you will never be able to reach the top because I know it's a very tough journey. मेरे जैसा fit आदमी को भी इसमें time लगता है. So this guy slowly crawling and going. He just looked at him and said, what did you say? I will not reach the top of the mountain. He said, I have already reached the top of the mountain. It is only a matter of time when my body will. Okay? तो आपको क्या लगता है मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा? अरे मैं पहुंच चुका हूं मन में. Okay? But शरीर भी पहुंच जाएगा. It's a journey. Okay? So you have to understand one thing. Law of attraction is not that it may happen. It will happen. It has happened. When you start with that, everything falls into place. I'll tell you another secret. Okay. When I wrote my first book, Corporate Chanakya, I had already taken that decision. It will be India's #1 book. Ho gaya. That doesn't mean that's ego. It's not an ego statement. Okay. It's saying that yes, I take. If I do it, I'll be #1. Otherwise, I'll not do it. I'm already India's #1 business writer. And let me tell you, I have never attended a writing program or a book selling program. If you believe in yourself, this is Atma Vishwas. It is not doing mediocre job. Karna hai to dunya mein #1. Otherwise, nothing. And this is a formula being tested by, Olympic gold medalist also. If you read the books, you will understand that every Olympic gold medal, they were asked, how did you get it? So, I always believed I'll get it. Okay, it is not that I will get it. मुझे पता ही था मिलने वाला है. इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? So that faith, that belief. So Peter Drucker, one of the management gurus, put it very nicely. You know what he said? Future that has happened. लोगों के लिए future है, मेरे लिए हो चुका है. So that is the law of
क्या बात.
attraction. If you have that clear thing that this has happened, it will happen. So manifestation takes time, but every creation happens first inside and is expressed outside. So believe in yourself.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. So now I have a clear idea about what law of attraction really is. So any advice you would be giving to the youth, so for now, because it is a very bad time for everyone across India, because they are losing their jobs. So anything which you want to tell them कि हो जाएगा ना, मतलब you need to wait.
No. I will give you a practical advice, okay? People are not losing their jobs. People are losing their salaries. बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. I'm clearly going to be talking very practical Chanakya tip. Ready for this? You know,
Yes.
I'll tell you I guide a lot of youngsters, boys and girls, and I'll give you a specific thing. There's this particular Manipal University, one of the very famous universities. So, and there's a very good university. I teach there. I've been there quite a few. Many of you must have heard about Manipal University. Now, it so happened that, before the final semester itself, a lot of students, before they actually graduated, actually had job offers. Isn't it true? So they actually got it in December, and they're supposed to give their final term exam and join maybe in May or June or something like that. March का महीना आया. December में सबके पास job है, with everybody are celebrating campus placement. Okay, and then all these companies called up March end or April or whatever and saying that sorry, we can't give you the jobs. So imagine, not one or two, the whole batch is not getting recruited. So the regular employees are not getting salary. Now what about the new ones? So they asked me. So we did this webinar, and I'm telling them, my dear friends, okay, what did you do? What can we do? We are young boys and girls. We don't know what to do. Blah 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 blah. Let's tell you. You called me, now I will give you an advice. You're not lost your jobs. Huh? Of course, we got a letter. You got a letter now. That means the selection process is over. But they're telling you not to join. Understand that. You got a job, but you're not getting to work. But what is the difference? I'll tell you the difference. When that HR person called you up and told that you cannot take up this job, tell him, I want to work. Don't give me salaries for the next 6 months.
Wow.
And people said, we didn't understand it. Although you try this. What is happening is that for us, especially youth, job is equal to getting salaries. No. Remember I told you a formula, become an intern. See, in this particular period, घर पे ही बैठे, कुछ नहीं करना है, बराबर है. And what is happening? 6 months हो गया, no experience also. But imagine in the month of March, you had told that company, I don't want salary, but I want to work for 6 months. After 6 months, if the situation improves, then you decide how much salary to give. If not, it's fine. At least 6 महीने का certificate तो मिलेगा. And there is enough work in the world, but we don't have enough salaries to pay. There is a difference. It's a big difference. So what I'm saying, घर पे बैठ के पता नहीं, anywhere in the world you're not getting a job. Okay, and India is still better. I know of some students who went to US. Okay, they spent ₹1 crore and they're not getting jobs. Then I said कि अरे भैया मिलने भी नहीं वाला है. Okay, because आपकी मनस्थिति ठीक नहीं है. Because for you it is a package. They promised me 6 lakh rupees per annum, so 50,000 rupees. Already you started, believing in the future, saying that 50,000, the first salary, I will give 20,000 to Dadima, but 30,000 party. Like a, pack of cards. What I'm saying is that, khayali pulao mat banao. Kaam karne ki shuruaat karo. Let me tell you, friends, you go back to that company, go to any company and say, sir, I have this skill, I have this thing. Can I become an intern? And सीधा मुंह पे पहले ही बोल देना before they ask you, I don't want salary for the next 6 months. How many people have that self confidence? नहीं मुझे जवाब मिला, क्योंकि घर पे जवाब देना पड़ता है ना, घर पे सैलरी नहीं देना पड़ता है, जवाब देना पड़ता है, और जवाब ये होना चाहिए, मेरे पास जॉब है, सैलरी 6 महीने के बाद बात करेंगे. My dear friends, we are just being impractical because the situation is very seriously bad. But for those people who are ready to work hard, jobs will be created. Jobs are not available because आप में अंदर वो विश्वास है, कमिटमेंट है, तो सामने से लोग आपको रेड कारपेट वेलकम देंगे. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी बात बताऊंगा. I'm on the interview board of so many companies, okay? And this is not during the pandemic situation, okay? Much before. This is almost a 5-year-old story. So we were recruiting some management trainees, okay? And they were all good because theoretically सब लोग अच्छा ही बोल देंगे ना. They know how to make presentation plans. Everything is good on paper, okay? So I remember one thing, that we were shortlisting a few people, and I remember I was on the board. So the first person go, second person go, third person, and typically one of the questions we interviewers ask is, what is your salary expectation? Okay. So the first, so दूसरा बोलते हैं कि the market rate is this much. I'll be happy if I get this much. Isn't it true? It's a typical answers. Some people will compare it with their friends and say, उसको उतना मिला तो मुझे इतना मिलना चाहिए. Okay. Oh, normal. So the third person, I remember, I can clearly see this, and I can never forget that guy. What a person he was. So, what is your salary expectation? तो बोला सर 6 महीने के बाद डिस्कस करते हैं. I said what? We are asking you how much salary you are expecting. But yes, sir, I'm talking about that only. Let's discuss it after 6 months. So why? Because I want to work, sir. Okay, I want to work.
Wow.
How much I'm capable, even I don't know, you don't know. So he's been humble. He said, मैं आपको सैलरी लेके नहीं, मैं अपना प्रूव करूंगा. 6 महीने के बाद वापस हम लोग टेबल पे बैठते हैं, फिर सैलरी का डिस्कशन करते हैं. I recruited him, and believe me, after 6 months, we made him a branch manager. And actually,
Wow.
in that company, it takes you minimum 4 to 5 years to make somebody a branch manager. But this guy says, I will not take anything. Let me prove myself. Okay, you don't know me, I don't know you. It's like an engagement, but let's have an engagement before getting married. Surprise! In 6 months, we made him a branch manager. So please understand this. Don't cry. पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, पैसा है ना, घर पे खाने को मिलता है ना. Thank your parents. 6 months, show your work. Go to any company and say, sir, I want to be an intern. आपकी सेवा करूंगा. Okay, and work hard 24/7. 6 months, they will trust you. Today it is not. We don't have jobs. We don't have salaries to pay the jobs. So take away the salaries with experience, and once you have the experience, jobs will come to you. Don't wait for the corona problem to get solved. Start now before the problem gets solved. You are the solution to your own life. Do it.
Wow, sir. So, I have met more people, they say that I have experience of 20 years. I have lost my job. Why should I work with any startups? So this is something which I have, said, people have said to me something like this. Sir, on the closing note, would you like to tell something about what next? What next about after Corporate Chanakya and many books which you have written? What are you next up to?
I'm a very funny person. I have achieved all goals in my life. Law of attraction. So I remember this first time when I made a life goal. So everybody should make a life goal. Okay, I want to do this, this, this. So many years ago, I wrote down a list, bucket list बोलते हैं ना उसको. I want to do a PhD. PhD तो हो गया, अभी PhD लोगों को guide करता हूँ. Okay, I want to write one book. I have not written one book. I have written 20 books. Okay, then I said, I should be actually a mentor. Now I'm mentoring the biggest of the mentors. Okay, I should work with the government of India. Now I actually work with the government of India with the PM's team also. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
So what I'm saying is that the final tip that I want to give you is that सोचने में कंजूसी मत करना और करने के टाइम कंजूसी मत करना. Okay. So what are the two formulas I want to give you? We think small, think big. सोचने में कंजूसी मत करना. तो अगर बनना ही है तो मल्टी बिलियनर बनो ना यार. ये मिलियनर क्यों बनते हो? So that is चाणक्य said, राजा बनना है और महाराजा बनना है. Okay. तो सोचने में कंजूसी मत करना और करने के टाइम कंजूसी मत करना. You know what? So I have a goal. It's a big goal. But करते नहीं है. You are expecting somebody else to do it. No. Do the work. Give not 100%. Give 200, 300, 500%. जिगर के साथ काम करना. You will achieve all your goals. जिगर नहीं है तो गोल भी नहीं है. गोल है तो जिगर है. That is the real formula of success. Believe in yourself. Have hope in yourself. Faith in yourself. Give faith to others. Give hope to others. That's my gift of hope.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It was so inspiring. I think वो आँख खुल जाती है ना सर, वैसा था. Thank you so
नींद
much.
खुल जानी चाहिए. आंख तो खुल जाता है लेकिन बिस्तर पे पड़े रहते हैं.
Sir, someone has said me कि जब आप बेड से उठते हो ना, tells you lot about your personality. अगर तुम 7 बजे का अलार्म रख के 7:05 को उठते हो तो तुम समझ लो कि तुम एक आगे जाके क्या ही करोगे. अगर आप दिन का पहला बैटल ही हार जाते हो, if you are not getting up at 7 and 7:05, you have already lost. So what you want to say about that?
I only want to say what Abdul Kalam sir said, what a role model he was. I've been very fortunate to meet him, share dice with him many times, organize programs of him also. So
Wow.
Abdul Kalam always said, dreams are not what you see when you sleep. Dreams are that which doesn't allow you to sleep. सो सोते रहना वो सपने नहीं है, सपने वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते. सो गेट
क्या
अप एंड
बात है.
गेट गोइंग, अचीव ऑल योर ड्रीम्स.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you so much. Bye bye, sir. So in exact half an hour time, we have the panel which we are waiting for, the content creators panel from Viraj Gelane, Kanesh Surkha and Anmol Sacha. Let's see you soon.